Good afternoon, students. Welcome to this new session of your BSc first year 2020 and 21 session. Myself, Mrs. Vaishali Nitin Badguzar, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Botany, welcomes you. Students, I hope you are safe in this pandemic situation and you very well know that we are going to study by online teaching. Now, students, you know that you have taken botany as one of the subject, and for botany your batches will be B5, B2 and B7. Now, for your syllabus, that is your botany paper, it is of 100 marks, and the theory paper will be of 80 marks along with 20 marks assignment. Students, today we will discuss your syllabus. Now your botany paper, it is named as Diversity and Applications of Microbes and Cryptogams. Now it includes overall 6 units or chapters, and the theory paper carries 80 marks, and you have to submit again 20 marks assignment. In this way you have to secure 100 marks for botany. Now you know that in your syllabus there are 6 units are there. Each unit carries 12 marks. Now your first unit will be taught by, now in all 3 faculty members will taught you this paper. Now unit 1 and unit 2 will be taught by Dr. PM Khadse sir. Unit 3 and unit 6 will be taught by Dr. A. Sangole madam, and unit 4 and unit 5 will be taught by me. Now you see that your first unit, it is of plant diversity. In this you have to study the plant kingdom. Now you know that the plant kingdom is very vast. In that you have to again study the habitat, form, nutrition and ecological status, also diversity of plants. Then again the next topic in this is general account of viruses and structure of TMB and HIV. Now you are very well known to viruses now, as we are suffering from COVID, and it is, now you know that it is caused by virus, or it is a viral disease. Now the next topic in this unit is bacteria. Here you will study the structure, nutrition and reproduction. And the last topic in this unit will be role of microbes in agriculture, medicine and industry. Now the second unit will be of algae. Now in this you will study the general characters with reference to habitat, thallus organization, pigmentation and reproduction. Now in algae, now you know that there are vast kingdom of algae, and which are divided into the different classes. Now such as chlorophyta, for example Oedogonium, then charophyta, in this you will study Chara, then Phaeophyta, for example Sargassum, then Rhodophyta, you will study Batrachospermum. And here the classification or the algal classification by Fritz and G.M. Smith. Now the next unit, it is of fungi. Now here again you will carry the general characteristics of fungi with different examples. For example Mastigomycotina, example Albugo, then Ascomycotina, Aspergillus, then Basidiomycotina, Puccinia and Deuteromycotina. In this you will again study the general characters of this class, and the last topic will be of lichen, for which you will study the economic importance and types of lichens. Now the next topic, that is unit 4, it is of bryophyte. In that you will study the general characters, thymus organization and life cycle of Hepaticopsida and Bryopsida. Now Hepaticopsida, for example, Markantia, it is again a huge class, but out of these only you have to study the specimen Markantia. Then second one will be Bryophyta. Here you will study Funaria. Then again you will study the brief account on some Indian bryologist in this unit. Now your next unit will be of pteridophyte. In that you will study the topic pteridophytes as first vascular plants. Then here you will study the different classes of pteridophytes, for example Spinopsida. In that you will study the Equisetum, it is commonly called as horsetails. Then next class, that is Phelicopsida. In that you will study Marsilia. And the third topic will be still types in pteridophytes, which is the distinguishing character of pteridophytes. And the last topic will be heterospory and seed habit in pteridophytes. Now these two units, that is the fourth one, that is Bryophyte and pteridophyte, will be taught by me. Now the last topic, that is application of microbes and cryptogams. Application of microbes, cryptogams. Then here you will study the economic importance of algae with special reference to food, industries, agriculture and harmful aspects. Then second topic, you will study the mycorrhiza and types and application. Now you, in the recent classes, you have studied ectomycorrhiza and entomycorrhiza. This you will study in detail in this topic. Then the next topic will be role of fungi in industries, medicine and food and agriculture. And the last topic will be plant diseases. And here you will study the different plant diseases caused by viruses, bacteria as well as fungi. For example, viral disease, that is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Then bacteria, black arm of cotton. And fungal diseases, for example, Tikka disease of groundnut. Now students, in this way you have to study your theory paper, which includes 6 chapters, each carry 12 marks. Okay, that means you have to solve 80 marks question paper. And again, one more important thing, that you have to submit the assignments, which will carry 20 marks, and the assignment includes the internal assessment as well as class test. Okay, that means you have to give the class test, which is of 30 marks, and here again, depending upon the scoring of class test, you will secure the marks in the assignments or your internal assessment. Now for class test, first of all we see how is the criteria. Now in all, 2 class tests are there. For session 1 class test will be there, it will be of 30 marks. Now the passing marks will be 11, and you will, suppose you will score 11 marks, you will get 7 marks as well as the internal assessment marks. And if you scores 18 or 18 above marks, you will get 10 marks. And again, if you score 24 or above 24 mark out of 30 mark paper, then you will got 12 marks as your assessment marks. Now, and the second part of this, it is the assignment. Now students, you have to submit the short written assignments, and by submitting the assignments as per regulation, you can secure the whole marks, that is of 8 out of 8 marks. In this way you can give the, or you can secure the 20 marks as your internal assessment marks. Now I hope that you will secure high percentage of marks in botany, and best of luck to you. Thank you very much.